Good afternoon, children. Okay, welcome back to the EVS class. Okay, how are you all? All are fine, no? Okay, very good. So, do the homework. All are doing homeworks. Do the homeworks properly and send to the WhatsApp group. So, we are discussing about the what I wear now. Yeah. So, yesterday we discussed about the what, how the cloth is made, the story of cloths, what purpose cloths are useful. That we discussed. Okay, now we are going to discuss how is cloth made. So what is our today's topic is how cloth is made. How cloth is made. Okay, so now we are going to discuss how the cloth is made. Cloth is made using different methods, children. Okay, many steps are there. So what is that we are going to discuss now. For example, first step is, many steps are involving for the preparation of cloth. So first one is spinning. First step is spinning. So what is meant by spinning? Listen. Spinning is a process through which cotton balls are converted into yarn. Okay, so spinning is the process. For example, you are preparing the cotton clothes. So, cotton clothes are prepared by using spinning. So, what is meant by spinning? The process of making cotton yarn, cotton thread. Bundle of thread is called, we are saying yarn, no? Okay, so making the cotton. For example, when you take the cotton, no, cotton plant. Cotton is coming from the cotton plant. Okay, so when you see the cotton flowers are present, no. So directly from the cotton flowers, from the cotton, by using the cotton, we are not making the cloth. It is possible? No, it is not possible. So first preparation of cloth purpose, we need what we need? We need thread. Okay, so first we are preparing the thread, children. So first collecting the cotton balls. So, by collecting the cotton balls, we are removing cotton from that and we are spinning the cotton. Spinning is done on machines as well as by using the hand also. That is called charka. So, with the help of charka. Say, where this we find mostly our means Bapuji. When we see the Mahatma Gandhi photo, no? So, in some photos, he is using the charka. Okay. So, by using that charka, we can prepare the cotton clothes. Okay, cotton yarn we can prepare. So what is meant by spinning? Spinning is the process of making the cotton balls into cotton yarn. So what is meant by spinning? Spinning is nothing but the process. Spinning is the process. Making the cotton balls. Making the cotton balls into cotton yarn. Okay, so that is called the spinning. Okay, nothing but cotton threads. Next, spinning over. So what is second step now? Second process is called weaving. Okay, here cotton yarn came. Okay, next weaving. So what is meant by weaving? Listen. Weaving is a process by which two sets of thread are crossed together on a loom. This process converts the thread into fabric. Okay, so here we prepare the cotton yarn. Okay, next weaving, we are taking the cotton yarn, nothing but the thread. We need thread not to preparation of cloth purpose. Yeah, by using that thread, we are weaving the cloths. So, taking the thread and we can two sets of thread, children. So, take the horizontal. When you observe a cloth, it containing the horizontal threads are there and again vertical threads also there. Okay, so these threads are weaving together to making the fabric. What is meant by fabric? Material used to prepare the clothes purpose. the material which is used to prepare the clothes purpose. Okay, so weaving is done with the help of machine as well as looms. What is meant by loom? No? Loom. Loom is weaving is done. Weaving is done on a machine. On a machine called loom. Otherwise, making the cloth by using a machine is called a loom. So when we take the looms, no, looms are two types, children. Looms are two types: hand loom and power loom. Hand loom and power loom. Hand done by man. This is done by using electricity, power, electricity. Okay, so loom. What is meant by loom? Weaving is done on a machine is called loom. Looms are how many types? Two types: hand loom, power loom. Hand loom means done by using manpower. Power loom is done by using electricity. By using electricity, looms are working. Okay, next we will discuss about the knitting. Okay, so weaving, spinning only we discuss about the cotton. Now we will discuss about the knitting. Okay, so what is that process? Listen now. Knitting. So what is meant by knitting? Listen. Knitting, it is a process of making woolen clothes with the help of two needles. It can also be done using machines. Okay, so knitting is the process of making woolen clothes, children. Knitting is the process of making woolen clothes. It is using by hands also. Mostly our mother is doing. So whenever she have a leisure time, then automatically she will prepare the woolen cloths by using the two needles. The knitting is done on preparation of woolen cloth, nothing much. Knitting is preparation of woolen cloth purpose. We are using knitting process. It can be done by using the hands. Otherwise, we can use by it is using machines also. By using the machines also, we can do this work. Okay, so that is about the knitting. Again, so cloth is made, fabric is ready. Next, what do you want? We want to color it. Okay, so always we are using the colorless clothes. Do you like the uncolored clothes? For example, white or brown cloth? No, we don't like it. We want different colors of clothes we want. Okay, so for that purpose, we want to color the clothes. Okay, we want to color the clothes. How we can color the clothes? Come on, now I will show. I will explain about the coloring of clothes. How we can color the clothes? Listen. So what topic, which topic now we are going to discuss? About the process of coloring. Okay, by using cotton balls with the help of the spinning, weaving, fabric is ready. Now we want to color it. Okay, so how we can color the cloth? By dyeing. What is meant by that method? Dyeing method. So what is meant by dyeing? Dyeing is a process through which pieces of cloth are colored. Okay, dyeing is the process through which pieces of cloth is colored. How we can color the cloth? First, they are soaked in a solution of hot water and colored dyes. First, they are taking the clothes and they can soak in the solution of hot water, children. Okay, so which color we want? that color solution, we can dip the clothes, piece of cloth, dipping in the hot water, colored hot water solution. Then automatically the piece of color is changing by using the dyes. So what is meant by dyes? D-Y-E. Don't write D-I-E. Dye. Dyeing is the dye. Dye is the colored material. What is meant by dyeing? Dyeing is the process of coloring a piece of cloth. Coloring a piece of cloth. It should be colored. That the process is called dyeing. Now, there are two types of dyes are there, children. Dyes are two types. Two types of dyes are present. So, what are that? Natural dyes. Natural dyes. And again, chemical dyes. Natural dyes. Chemical dyes. D-Y-E dye. Dyes means nothing but the color solution. Colors. Colors. Applying colors to the cloth. So, how many types are there? Two. Natural and chemical. For example, I want a green color cloth. So, what do you use? These natural dyes are obtained from the plants, children. Plants. Mostly vegetables. Vegetables. Okay, for example, I want green color. So, spinach. Using spinach leaves. Green color. Next, I want the indigo color. So, indigo. Indigo is the plant name, children. I want yellow color. Turmeric. Turmeric. Okay. I want orange color. Carrot. If I want henna color. Okay. Orange color. Then I can use the henna plant. Mehandi plant. Henna. Okay. So, these chemical dyes are example made from the chemicals by using chemicals. So, what are that? Acid dyes are there. Basic dyes are there. Acid dyes. Basic dyes. And again sulfur dyes. Okay. Sulfur dyes. So, we are going to the higher section. You know this. Now, you know need to not mention even in the textbook. For a look purpose, I told this. Okay. Only given about the natural dyes coming from the plants, vegetables. Okay. So, this is the two types of dyes. What is meant by dyeing? Dyeing is the process of color in which a piece of cloth is colored. Dyeing is the process in which a piece of cloth is colored. Okay. For dyeing purpose, we want dyes. How many types of dyes are there? Two dyes. Natural and chemical. Natural dye means using plants and vegetables. Next, chemical dyes, using the chemicals. By using chemicals, preparing the dyes. Those are called the chemical dyes. Example, acid dye, basic dye and sulfur dye. Okay, so this is about the dyeing process and two types of dyes. So, in this topic, what we discussed? First, about spinning we discussed. About spinning we discussed, and again about weaving we discussed. Okay, spinning discussed, about weaving discussed, about knitting discussed. Okay, and about dyeing we discussed. Okay, so these are the new terms only, children. These four are the new terms. Spinning, weaving, knitting, dyeing. Spinning, cotton balls are converted into cotton yarn. Spinning using machine, otherwise cherka, hand. Weaving, threads are coming now. The threads are weaving together to make a fabric. Fabric is nothing but the material. Fabric is the material used to prepare a cloth, to make a cloth. Next, knitting, preparation of woolen cloths by using the knitting method. Dyeing is the process of coloring a piece of cloth. So that is the new terms came in this topic. Okay. So based on this, I will give the questions to you. You should answer further and send to the WhatsApp group, children. Okay. Come on. We will note down the questions clearly. So what are the questions? Listen. Okay, so with neat handwriting you should copy the questions. So before sending, once you check the answers, if there is any doubt, watch the video again and watch the textbook also. If you have any doubts, anyway you all are having the textbooks now. Come on, check it properly. Now note down the questions. So first question is natural dyes. Natural dyes are obtained from dash and dash. Second one, dash is the process. Dash is the process through which pieces of cloth are colored. Okay, next, third one, weaving is done on a machine called dash. Next, fourth one, chemical dyes are made from dash. Okay children, these are your questions. Once again listen the questions carefully. Natural dyes are obtained from dash and dash. How we will get the natural dyes? You should answer for that. Second one, dash is the process through which pieces of cloth are colored. What that process? Many times I repeated, no? You write the answer there. Next, weaving is done on a machine called dash. Okay. Next, chemical dyes are made from dash. Okay. So write the answers properly. So this topic is in which page now children? Page number 10. So we discussed the how is cloth made. So page number 10.